What is up, my perfect friends, and welcome back to the Life of Cat channel. I understand. Last time I said I am not going to be uploading on this channel anymore, but I didn't have my brother's phone to upload, so we just got this train. That is where we need to cross in a few hours to go back home. This is where the train stopped. Oh yeah, beautiful sunset too. It hurts my eyes. Here, you can hear. I'm not sure. I was gonna go touch it. If it stopped right here, I was gonna go touch it, but no. Wait. I was gonna go to the train tracks, but trains on the track usually mean more trains are coming. It usually means more trains are coming. My last words are, I'm not sure. I'm going out to the tracks. If I don't make it, nope, I ain't going back home. Oh, you can find everything at the railroad tracks. You can even find the limited edition yellow Coca-Cola. That sounds disgusting. You can see the sun through the trees. I want to go touch it, but same time, I don't really want to walk that far. I'm at Crystal Field House right next to where I live. Voila, it ain't much to look at. I ain't telling them where I'm living. Also, they already know. They already know where I live. Voila. That beautiful. Oh, it's starting! Did you hear that? The train went boom. You can see it moving. You can see that light on the back of the train flashing. The train is getting out of here. Train is starting back up. Well, yeah, no problems, no nothing. Yeah, my phone is only at 16%. So, yeah. You heard that squeaking noise? Probably don't. But that is the sound of the train starting back up. Getting the heck out of here. Look at it. Train ASMR. And that's over. Well, and there goes the train. Time to go out to the train tracks and see what's out there. Time to go to the train track. Oh, and that's my phone going to 15. Yep, my buddy Dom. He has my phone. Oh, the dragonfly. Alright. I'll eat you back when we're... Yeah, the seagulls are... See, we're getting closer. Closer, man. That seagull sounds pissed off. Stone. Ow! I just got hit by a piece of wood. One piece of metal will do. That's really smooth stone. I think that is a... Yes? One railroad spike I'll find. Looking for a railroad spike. Trying to look for a rail. Look at this. That's weird. Keep turning back just in case. You never. This is a piece of metal. Sweet piece of metal with a hole in it, like a bullet hole. Crystal. Looks like a crystal. Another one. There's a big one too. Alright, I'm taking these with me. Move, Bunny Bee. That's a golf ball. Hey. Hi. Coming back. Quick. Gotta skedaddle. Or the cops come. What I'm doing here is technically illegal. What I'm doing is technically illegal. Oh my god, I didn't even get stung by that honeybee. Alright, Dom, I found some crystals, I found a golf ball, I found some metal, and I found some alien geo. Found a few alien geodes.
Alien geo?
Alien.
You had a freaking golf ball? What the heck?
Yeah, I found a golf ball. A bee was guarding it, so I tamed it. Look on the inside of these. There's some metal, and then there's some crystal. This one too.
Crystal like, where?
Crystallized.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah. Found this piece of metal.
Look at this one on the top of it. That's cool. Let me see this one.
Yeah, you can see it mostly right there.
Wow,
There's a straight up golf ball. Oh, I didn't catch it.
This is cool. You should keep on. You should get one. I should get one.
And a hat.
And a hat. Your hat.
Ah. That's a cool trip. Yep, didn't find any railroad spikes except for on the tracks, which I didn't get any, but we have some railroad spikes buried over that way.
How about we derail a train?
So yep, golf ball. It is a Top Fleet XL extra large or something golf ball. Paint chipped away. Pretty new it's pretty new. There was a bee sitting on it, guarding it. This weird looking, alien looking rock.
Which is actually pretty cool.
I'm a rock hunter, so this is a new find I've never seen before. Metal, which I'm gonna take home probably. Then these, yeah, again, rock collector, so I think these are really cool.
Same here.
If I crack them open with a hammer, I wonder what's inside.
Which,
crystals.
Next time I come over your house, if we're splitting them, I'm gonna take one of them over. We should split them open.
Sorry. Alright, maybe I could find more. You think I could find more?
Maybe.
Should I go look?
If you want.
Time to go look. Alright, Dresden, the rock hunter, entered the game. Any trains coming? Nope. These are the types of stones that it looks like. Oh, what are you? These are what we found. Railroad spikes. So I was about to get zapped. Harry Potter in the Chamber. I was over by this tall grass here. So. Railroad spike. Sweet, this is what I was looking for. Railroad spike. Chip off. Oh, I heard Producer Dresden and co-producer Don. Sweet, railroad spike for him. Can't seem to find any more. Nope. You guys stay right there. Can't seem to find any more. Yeah, I can't seem to find any more. Just broke this rock in half with this. If I find any railroad spikes, I'm not picking them up. He says as he spots another railroad spike. Metal. Part of a chain. Yeah, I can't seem to find any more. If I die out here, my last words are bazinga. Bruh. Big bolt. Big bolt. Didn't find any. Second trip, unsuccessful. Forgot where I found the first ones. Alright, I'm taking these back to Dominic to examine. Found another one there and another one there. Sounds like a train, but it isn't. It's actually a giant air cooler. Nothing to be afraid of, not gonna die. That looks like a giant piece of metal. Is that? Oh my god, is that? Do I bring this or those? I'm bringing both. One moment.